Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to discuss the CRM or Customer Relationship Management applications inside of Fantastico, and they are labeled as ERP. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the very first one, which is Citrus DB. The Citrus allows us to manage the relationship as well as to bill the client, and it has applications for subscriptions, consulting, and telecommunications. So we're going to start the process by clicking and installing a copy. We're going to give the program a directory, username, password, and then name. Once you have all the right information in, you'll then click Submit. Once you have this information in, you'll then verify and then click Proceed. Once you click Proceed, then Fantastico will start the installation process. You'll then have your backend or admin area credentials, and you can now go to the admin area. Once you've entered your username and password, you'll then click Login, and you will then have access to the Citrus DB database. Now Citrus has not only a home page and documentation, but it also has a support link where you can get answers to any questions that you might have about the platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.